Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater, standing in our beautiful showroom once again. Today I'm showing you a new arrival. This is a 2021 Boston Whaler 13 Sport. It's a very hard boat to come by right now. Demand is super high for these guys. This will be a perfect boat. Take a couple people out and cruise the intercoastal, go to the sandbars, cruise up the river, the lake, maybe stop at a few restaurants. This is one of the truly unsinkable legends. The boat is equipped with a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Very, very quiet engine, but perfect for this boat. As you see here, a well-placed ladder for easy boarding. Well-designed cockpit with the bench seat. Large bimini top for some shade on those sunny days here in Florida. If you'd like to know more about this boat, please feel free to reach out to me at 813-424-6084. Thank you very much and enjoy the water.